You are tuned into the 5-Minute Signal. I am Aris Sterling, performance research expert. This is not a health podcast. This is your maintenance manual for the body. We don't do hope here. We do reality. 5 minutes on the clock. Let's get to work. The news today isn't found in a medical journal, but in the diagnostic data of our daily behavior. We are currently witnessing the Great Neurological Recession. Recent neurological mapping suggests that the average human prefrontal cortex is operating at a 30% deficit compared to pre-smartphone baselines. We aren't just distracted, we are biologically bankrupt. The constant titration of micro-rewards, likes, scrolls, and notifications has shifted our dopamine baseline so low that normal life now feels like a clinical depression. We have engineered an environment that is fundamentally incompatible with the human reward system. Why it matters is simple. Dopamine is not about pleasure. It is about the wanting and the doing. It is the molecule of pursuit. When you exhaust your baseline through cheap, digital hits, you lose the biological fuel required for high-level performance, long-term health adherence, and cognitive clarity. You are essentially trying to run a high-performance engine on an empty tank. If your baseline is broken, your willpower is a myth. You cannot optimize a body that has lost the chemical drive to maintain itself. The hard truth is that you are an addict, and your dealer is in your pocket. We like to pretend that we can balance high-performance output with low-value digital consumption. We can't. Every time you check your phone in the morning, you are performing a chemical lobotomy on your focus for the rest of the day. You are trading your long-term cognitive health span for a 5-second hit of neurochemical trash. You aren't multitasking. You are fragmenting your consciousness and permanently downsizing your biological potential. The actionable move requires a cold, analytical audit of your input. First, implement the 90-minute firewall. No digital inputs, 0, for the first 90 minutes of your waking day. This protects your natural dopamine rise. Second, eliminate dopamine stacking. Stop listening to podcasts while scrolling or eating while watching. Choose one stimulus and commit. If you can't sit with a single input, your receptors are fried. Third, execute a physical reset. When the urge to scroll hits, replace the digital hit with a 30-second cold exposure or high-intensity movement. Use physiology to override the craving. I have an announcement. Today marks the conclusion of Season 2. We have logged 30 episodes in a very short time of reality-driven strategies. But the field of performance research is evolving, and so must we. Daily delivery has its merits, but precision requires time. To ensure every word of this manual is backed by the highest level data synthesis. Season 3 will shift to a twice-weekly protocol. The masses want constant distraction. The elite demand focused intelligence. We are shifting from volume to velocity to ensure your biological edge remains unmatched. Lock in your notifications and secure this feed. The signal will drop when the data is ready. Don't be the one left operating on outdated intel. We aren't slowing down. We are sharpening the blade. I'm Aris Sterling. This has been the 5-Minute Signal. Stay sharp. This program is for informational and educational purposes only. This content is not a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always consult with a qualified healthcare provider before making any health-related decisions.